Hi, Nicolet College students. Let's look at our new scholarship application site, Scholarship Universe, together. Remember to check your Nicolet College email to stay up to date with scholarship opportunities and any deadlines. To access Scholarship Universe, log into your My Nicolet, found at the top of nicoletcollege.edu. Click the scholarships card. This will bring you directly to the application portal. One thing to remember is that you won't be able to access the portal or apply for scholarships without your Nicolet College account. This means that if you're not accepted as a student, you won't be able to apply for scholarships. Please contact the admissions team if this is you. When you've successfully logged in, click the I'm Ready button to access the site. When you log in for the first time, you'll be prompted to answer questions about yourself. This will match you to Nicolet College Foundation scholarships, as well as many external scholarships that are available to you. The more questions that you answer, the more we'll be able to match you to. If at any point there's a question that you're not sure about, feel free to click the NA option. If you need to take a break, either hit the skip section to skip this chunk of questions, or you can navigate to the left-hand side. Let's look at the menu options on the left. Your dashboard will be the main page that you go and log into going forward. This will give you an overview of scholarships and actions required, like if there's a thank you letter that needs to be submitted. You can get to any of these options by clicking on these tiles or by navigating on the left-hand menu. Next, questions will take you to review the questions you've answered already. This is where you might edit a question or answer more questions. You can click the scholarship icon to see a list of scholarships available based on your answers already. These scholarships are Nicolet College Foundation, and these scholarships with the globe are external scholarships. You can view to see the eligibility criteria, or you can click Apply. Let's apply to this scholarship. Many of the Nicolet College Foundation scholarships will use one general application. At the top, you'll see all scholarships associated with this application for which you'll be applying. Verify your information and answer a few questions before you get into the most important part, which are the essays. Essays are where you'll shine. You'll tell us about who you are, your history, your passions, your goals, and what your circumstances are. If writing isn't your strong suit, please feel free to reach out to Academic Success or a writing tutor for guidance. Their information is listed in the introduction section. The recommendation survey is next. Please read all of these directions before completing this portion. Finally, you'll review and submit this application. If you need breaks, please take them. The scholarship system will save your progress as you go, and you'll be able to come back to it. This application is also mobile friendly, so you'll be able to apply on the go. That completes our virtual tour of the new scholarship tool, Scholarship Universe. Please reach out if you have any questions to the Nicolet College Foundation. You can find resources and contact information on our website at nicoletcollege.edu/foundation. I really hope that this encourages you to take some time to apply for scholarships.